Maintain. To make something continue in the same way.
Both of us very happy campers.
I found that if I maintained an even dose, remembered to eat, drank no alcohol, the blackouts didn't recur.
Impossible! Impossible, I say!
No, Titanius, for we maintain one advantage. The element of surprise.
Snub. To treat someone rudely, especially by ignoring them.
Hi, Peter. Hey, you just snubbed me in front of my own house. I thought we'd come to an understanding.
Look, fella, I don't know who you are.
Danny is unpopular due to rumors he sleeps in the raw with his ma and his pa. Hugh and Young are born with the ability to count Valentines, and Danny realizes he's been snubbed.
Past.
Endure. To suffer something difficult, unpleasant, or painful.
This great city! It will endure. Gotham will survive.
Survive this.
You have a plan?
Yes, Cork, I do. We'll use your strength and endurance to our advantage by having you hold the front line. You'll be tasked.
Wrath. Extreme anger.
You're going to suffer the wrath of Gru. Seriously, I'm going to count to 3, and you had better be in this car. Here we go. 1.
Flower thief!
Please stand up, sir. You're going downtown.
Unhand me!
Do not resist!
Unhand me!
Do not resist!
Heathen! For suffer the wrath of the great and powerful God.
Expose. To show something that is usually covered or hidden.
Well, what's going on, Sheriff?
I don't know, but I'm gonna strip away this mystery and expose its private parts. You and your kin are coming with me.
At least you don't look like some kind of bloated roadside piñata. You really should think about going on a diet.
Yeah, you should think about getting yourself a pair of pants. I feel all exposed and nasty.
Legend. A very old story or set of stories from ancient times.
I know he can seem kind of heartless. But you know, he wasn't always like that.
According to legend, there was once a time when Master Shifu actually used to smile.
No.
Yeah.
Ruben, that's a nice story. It's not just a story, Merida. Legends are lessons. They ring with truths.
Ugh, Mom!
I would
Ponder. To think carefully about something.
Settle down.
For 65 years, my whole reason for existing has been to sit and ponder the world's greatest secrets. And now, I've forgotten the 5 most powerful ones. Do you read?
Miss Hamilton was the 4th person to be run over by a motorcycle this week, leaving a city to ponder who will be next.
Resign. To give up a job or position.
size.
I'm so disgusted by your loathsome behavior that I hereby resign from this imbecilic club and relinquish the presidency to you.
Thanks, Calculon. Can I have your autograph?
Bart, you can call me Walter Matthau, because I'm a bad news bearer. I'm resigning as manager of your Little League team.
What? Why?
Drastic. Severe and sudden.
You can't be serious. Hey, our life was perfect until Mom and Dad decided to move to San Fran State Town.
But, I mean, it's just so drastic.
Need I remind you of how great things were there? Our room, our back...
Okay, that's it. Obviously, normal sensitivity training isn't enough for you. No, we're gonna have to do something drastic.
Wharf. A structure that is built out into the water so that boats can stop next to it.
The other way!
This is the express to Wildwood Wharf. What wharf did you think?
When's a wharf? The one I was pointing at! Put that way.
I just thought...
If she stays and Lord Ashley manages to get his cattle down onto that wharf there, then we've got a competitor for the army contract, Neil.
Amend. To correct or make small changes to something.
Woody, don't be mad at Jessie. She's been through more than you know. Why not make amends before you leave, huh? It's the least you can do.
I am sorry there has been conflict between us. Allow me to make amends. Please, help yourself to anything in my cornhole.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Ballot. 1. A system or occasion of secret voting. 2. A piece of paper on which you write a secret vote.
Women, we have spent decades fighting for our right to vote. So when you go to those booths and cast your ballot, remember, Warren G. Harding is way the cutest!
They say to us that the local white leadership use their power to keep us away from the ballot box and keep us voiceless.